What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beta AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I figured I'd go through the brand new Young AT4 sample and MIDI pack, as well as give you guys an opportunity on getting this sample and MIDI pack for free, just like how we did with the Billie Eilish inspired sample and MIDI pack. Figure we'll do something similar to last time. We will start with 2 winners for the sample and MIDI pack, and then if we get more submissions, and let's say if we got 50 submissions, then we'll add more free winners up to a total of 5. Now, instructions on how you guys can get this sample and MIDI pack will be somewhere in this video. Doesn't necessarily mean the beginning, doesn't necessarily mean the end or in the middle, but somewhere in this video there will be instructions on how you guys can get this sample and MIDI pack completely free. So the sample and MIDI pack is Young AT4. It features 20 new original melody compositions with their stems and MIDI. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them picked out and got them in this playlist for us just to check out and go through. And like I said, these come with the MIDI as well. So if you want to change the sounds or change the key, you guys can do that. Or see how the melodies were composed, you guys have the freedom to do that with the MIDI. So I'll play the first 2. So that's one of the first ones. It's called Bro, 168 beats per minute, C sharp minor. And then that one is 165 beats per minute, D minor. Now here's your opportunity on how you guys can get this sample and MIDI kit completely free. So there's a sample playthrough video on our Instagram, the Beta AT Instagram. All you guys need to do is give the Instagram page a follow and then comment free YoungBoy 4. All one words. Just comment that, free YoungBoy 4. And if you guys follow us and you comment that, we will pick 2 people, and then after we get 50 different submissions or comments on that post, we'll pick 3 more. We'll do that automatically, and we'll let you guys know in the comments section down below on the updates of that. But you guys gotta follow those 2 steps, and then we can gift you the sample and MIDI pack on your Beta AT account, so you have lifetime access for it. So let's continue back into the video and go through these samples. So here's a 3rd sample that we will go through. Super fire. Here's this other sample. Super fire. Some of the best YoungBoy samples that we've released yet. And then here's one more. So those are just 5 of the different samples in this sample kit that has 20 different ones. Very wide variety of different type of NBA YoungBoy beats, but all of them are in the style of like NBA YoungBoy, obviously, as you could expect. This is that 4th kit of the Young AT installment series. So if you guys haven't checked out the other 3, I will highly recommend those. We'll even have a limited edition bundle set for all 4 of them on the site. There will be a limited quantity of that bundle set because we will be running it at a discounted rate. Links to everything is down in the description down below. Be sure to not skip through the video, because if you made it all the way this far and you skipped up to here, then you missed out on your opportunity on how you can get the sample and MIDI kit for free. And we are picking people. So This is Andrew of Beta AT Production and Publishing, and I'll see you guys later. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe if you want more videos like this, and if you guys want more opportunities to get these sample kits for free. These are premium sample and MIDI packs that we're giving away for free. All right, see you guys.